Welcome to a brand new video. Do you like strawberries? Oh, I knew it. Strawberries are so yummy and cute, right? Let's start by drawing a happy little strawberry. Let's give it a friend. A tall, shiny juice glass. Ta-da! Oh no, the strawberry looks thirsty. Let's quickly draw a straw so it can sip some yummy juice. But wait, this glass feels a bit boring. Let's jazz it up with a fancy lemon slide. Perfect. Now let's add tiny details to make the lemon super duper pretty. What's next? A cherry. Let's draw a cute little cherry with its leaf. Now, how about a big jug to pour all the juice into? We'll add a nice handle. Time for some magic. Let's add colors. First, we'll color the juice in the glass and the jug a bright orange. Ooh, so fresh. Cheerful blue color. And for the lemon, let's add some green here to make it pop. Now for the star of the show, the strawberry. Let's color it bright red and give its seeds a shiny yellow. Doesn't it look like it's ready to jump into the juice? Hey. Ooh, let's make the lemon even more beautiful with a dash of yellow. I feel like we need more colors. Purple here. Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane. Red there.
Oh, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man?
A splash of blue over here, and oh, some sunny yellow here.
The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Finally, let's make the cherry look extra yummy with a shiny red color. And don't forget its little green leaf. Wow, look at all the bright, happy colors. Great job, everyone. See you in the next video for more colorful fun. Bye-bye.